Oh, good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is fine. So yeah, so before joining the session, like I want to answer a few questions that I received yesterday from feedback, and like many have messaged in the comments and live section about various doubts. So yeah, before starting the session, like I will clear some doubts so that like you will be clear, like while going to the further classes, like you will be clear that yeah, this is how this course goes. And yeah, the first thing, many have asked about attendance thing. So after the end of this session, so I will add the attendance link in the description. So it is a feedback form too. So if you have filled that feedback form every day for, I can say, for 10 days, then you will be considered like you will have attended all the 10 days. So if you fail to do that, like you will be not eligible for certificate. So this is one thing that you need to take care of. So you will find that in the description. So description, like if you open the video, you will find something in the description section, right? In the first line of the description, you will find that feedback link. So I hope like everyone is clear now about how to get the feedback link and how to get the attendance. So because yeah, sure, like many have messaged me like, for asking that link. Yeah, you will get that in the description itself. You don't need to find somewhere, and you will not receive an email. So you just need to find in the description section. And like I have also pinned that in the comment section. So once after this session ends, you will find in the description as well as in the comments. So I think you are clear about attendance. And the other thing is like, uh, I mean, only in YouTube this is happening live. So you won't find any Zoom link or Airmeet link. So you only be able to watch this here itself. So so that is the reason why you will get attendance only here. So I hope everyone is clear about attendance now. So now other thing that people have asked is like regarding certificate. So I will also tell you about this. Wait a second. I think people are joining. Okay. So other thing is how to get a certificate. So this is a thing that I have received from many of the people. So like this Friday which means like the fifth day of the online training. So I will give you some tasks, and like I will also tell you like how to submit those tasks and how you can actually do those tasks. So they were very simple. So if you have watched the first 5 days of these classes, you will ultimately do that easily. But yeah, you need to complete the task by Monday. So I will give the task on Friday. You need to complete them by Friday. So it won't take much time. So they were completely silly tasks. So people, I will also tell you how you can submit those tasks. So once you have done that, then ultimately you are eligible for certificate. So I hope you are clear. Like everyone can watch these live sessions, but yeah, only people who filled the attendance and who completed those tasks will get the certificate. So I hope you're clear now. So the other one is regarding course content. So like everyone asking questions about the other types of, I mean, digital marketing. Also, like I have received some feedback like please go deeper into I mean, digital marketing concepts. Yes, of course, this is a 10 days training, right? So this is not a 1 day or 2 day training. So yesterday I have given you like I will share my screen, and yeah, I will show you the course content actually first of all, so that you will be clear on what actually is I'm going to give you this time. Like, am I audible now? I hope I am audible now. Can anyone confirm me? Like, am I audible now? Okay, then fine. Yeah. So sorry for that. Okay, so I will share you. So I think these are all the content that we have discussed. So this is the course content that is structured for 10 days. So yesterday, like we have been witnessed introduction to digital marketing, because like many have asked me like, I mean, go into deeper, like we want to know more about SEO, we want to know more about affiliate marketing. But yeah, it is designed for 10 days, right? So ultimately you will get day by day. So don't expect everything on a single day, because if I do that, it will be overcooking. So ultimately you will not get access, I mean, you will not understand topics. So that is the reason why I'm going slowly, so that everyone can understand. So yesterday I have only discussed about introduction to digital marketing, why we are using digital marketing, why we need digital marketing, and different types of digital marketing in overview. So because like I will be going to teach every single topic every day, so I can say, so this is a day one structure and this is a day two structure. So today, like I will be talking about different ways that you can earn from digital marketing. So, and like not only, it is not only about job or something. So even housewives can earn, even students can earn, even people who are already working can earn. Everyone can earn using digital marketing skill. So I will be teaching like how you can actually do that, and also basic prerequisites. So from tomorrow we will be going to start like I mean the types of digital marketing one by one. So what are all the prerequisites that you need, so that you can use mostly you can use the most out of it, and you can also earn more out of it. So the basic things that you need in order to get success in digital marketing. So, today we will be discussing all this stuff, and tomorrow, so we will be talking about search engine optimization, and day 4 we will be talking about content marketing, and day 5 we'll be talking about social media marketing, day 6 email marketing, day 7 affiliate marketing, day 8 social media advertising, day 9 we'll be talking about how you can actually do freelancing and different techniques and tools, and final day we'll be talking about how you can utilize this knowledge to get a job or to get a freelancing opportunity. Yeah, like we will be talking about everything in the coming classes. So please, I mean, I request everyone to be please patient, because so it's not an, or I mean, single day course. You all know like it takes 10 days, of course. Like, so people are asking me about like I mean, they were asking me about advanced things and advanced concepts. So yes, you can do it actually, but I mean, you need some patience, because it is a 10-day long course. It is not a single day course. So you will get everything. So I hope it is clear. And still people are talking about like asking about attendance. So I've already mentioned about attendance. So you will get the link in the description once after this session ends. And I will also add that link in the projects, I mean, in the comment section. While talking about certificate, you can get the certificate once you completed the task and you fill the attendance every day. So like I hope it is clear. So I have mentioned the same multiple times. And also people are asking about to increase the Q&A section. So from today, like I will increase the Q&A section from 15 minutes to 20 minutes, so that I can answer almost all the questions that I will get. So I hope it will be good for you. So yeah, now we can start the session, because we are already, so I spent already 10 minutes to answer the basic questions. So first of all, my request is, please be patient and listen to the classes. Because yeah, you can also do the tasks in mobile, you can also do the task in laptop, whatever it is. So you don't need high end things. But yeah, my request is, please be patient. Don't ask about the, I mean, tomorrow's concepts and day after tomorrow concepts. Again, people are talking about, will you tell about SEO tools? Yeah, like I will give you everything that you need in order to get success in digital marketing, everything. And this is not like an ordinary course. I will also teach you, I mean, by including my knowledge and experience on digital marketing, how I use digital marketing. I will also tell you every small thing. So please be patient, and like please, if you are like completely doubtful on tomorrow's classes and day after tomorrow's classes, you will not listen this class with good concentration. So I hope everything is clear now. Okay, then yeah, I will share my screen again and I will go with today's classes. Okay, so yesterday, like we have talked about six different types of digital marketing. So these are all the six different types of digital marketing. And from tomorrow, we will be discussing one by one. Day three to day eight, we are completely, taking one type of digital marketing, and we will see different tools, different techniques, and different ways that we can do digital marketing. But today, we will see different ways one can earn using digital marketing. The reason why I have included this topic is it is not a generally, I can say this is not generally a topic related to digital marketing, but I have included this because if you have completed learning digital marketing, so the other doubt is how to get a job in digital marketing, how we can earn using digital marketing, how we can earn while studying. So you will get many doubts how to earn, how to actually make money using digital marketing. And many have also asked like, as a student how I can earn, as a housewife how I can earn. So today, like I will show you different ways that you can earn using digital marketing. The first way is a job. So job is a basic thing. So job is like if you have completed your graduation, or if you have completed whatever you are studying currently, you can apply for companies and you will get a job. And this is a basic thing. So if people are learning something, the main reason is all about how to get a job. So once after you are good with all the digital marketing skills, once you are aware of all the techniques and tools of digital marketing, so you can utilize that. So yeah, I will also going to tell you like how you can actually get a job in digital marketing. So make sure once you have perfectly learned all these concepts, at the day 9 and day 10 of this online course is completely about how you can make a good portfolio, how you can apply for jobs, how you can apply for some other things. I will show you all those things step by step. So yeah, the first way that you can earn using digital marketing is job. But you may have another question like how we can actually apply for digital marketing, what is the benefit of having a digital marketing job. So I will also tell you that. So in general, in India, the average salary that a digital marketing engineer as a fresher can earn is about 6 lakhs per annum. So which means you can get around 50,000 per month as an average. It doesn't mean you will everyone will get 6 lakhs per annum, starting package. Some people will get more than 10 lakhs per annum, and some even get 3 to 4 lakhs per annum. But if you are perfect in all the digital marketing concepts, this is the average salary. So people who are expecting job security, so then they can opt for it. And the other way that you can earn digital marketing is all about freelancing. So like many have asked me what actually is a freelancing. Now I will explain what actually is a freelancing. So freelancing is all about if it is a job, then what you will do is like you will work for a particular company for a particular duration. So you need to work 9 hours per day or 8 hours per day every day. So you will work for 5 days per week. This is what generally a job is, which means it's a permanent kind of thing. But freelancing is not like you need to work for a single company. You can work for multiple companies, multiple individuals at the same time. This is the advantage of freelancing. So you can work in your flexible time, you can work in your flexible days, you can work with your flexible clients. So there is no rule that you need to work for a particular time and particular days. You can work anytime. You can even work for 2 days in a week and take 5 days rest. So freelancing is all about working on your own time, working with individuals. So nowadays the reason for freelancing is nowadays everyone is creating their own startups, so which means they need people to work for them. So but they don't have large budgets to to hire full-time employees, because they need to pay salaries more. So if they just want a website, for take an example, if they want a website for their company, so if they hire a web designer for that, or if they hire a web developer for that, they need to pay salary every month. Instead of that, if they hire a freelancer, they only pay for like 4 to 5 days. Because usually a website will be completed by an individual only. He only takes 4 to 5 days. So the company pays only for that 4 day period. So it is the advantage. And you will also get advantage, right? In a single day you can work for 3 to 4 companies and you can charge hourly. So this is the advantage of freelancing. And nowadays, I say, yesterday like I told you, like every company is now looking towards digital marketing. So people who are good in digital marketing, content creation, or like social media management, affiliate marketing, so definitely companies need those kind of people. So there are various opportunities in freelancing. Even as a student, you can earn using digital marketing by doing freelancing. This is one thing. And like still people are asking attendance link. So I already told you, like once after this session ends, you will find that in the description. You will also find that in the comment section, but not now. So that is the feedback link, and that is only the attendance link. So you can consider it as both feedback link as well as attendance link. Now getting back to this, so the third way that you can earn using digital marketing is by starting your own business. If you can ask me what actually the business that you will be doing with digital marketing, so as I said, like people are more interested in going towards digital marketing. Every company is now going towards digital marketing services by individuals or freelancers. So you can what you can do is you can start your own startup, or you can start your own digital marketing agency. So which means you will hire some people there, so who are good in digital marketing, and you can provide digital marketing services to others. So for example, let us consider, so if you are good in social media advertising, I will tell you in the coming classes what actually advertising is. But let us consider, if you're good in social media advertising, you can advertise. Like if you want social media advertising services, we can do it for you. We can charge something per hour. So you can build a digital marketing agency, something like this. But what the advantage is, initially you may need to spend some money to start your company, but later you will get more profit when compared to the previous two, because once your business will get popular, ultimately you will get more clients and more business opportunities. So this is other way that you can do. And the other way is the most important thing, content creation. If you can see in social media, like whether it might be a YouTuber or Instagram influencer, whoever it might be, so people who create content will earn more. So if you know digital marketing, you can also become a content creator, whether you start a blog, or whether you start your own YouTube channel, or whether you can start writing content for some others. So if you become a content creator, then ultimately you can earn a lot. So if you start a blog, then ultimately you will, this is like a content marketing kind of thing. So if you start a blog, you will be entitled to allow placing ads in your website, which is by using Google AdSense. Then ultimately you can earn a lot of money. And similarly it applies to the YouTube channel too. So if you run a YouTube channel successfully for, I can say, like it depends on your consistency, you can also earn through YouTube. And there are various other content creation platforms, like you can also earn through LinkedIn by posting active content. So there are various ways for that. So yeah, if you're someone who is confident on writing or speaking, and you have digital marketing skills, you can also become a content creator. So these are the four things that one can actually do. So for to become a freelancer, you don't need to be a graduate. To become a content creator, you don't need to be a graduate. Everyone can do, even a school kid can do, or college kid can do, anyone can do. How to get in MNCs with the help of digital marketing? Yes, getting a job is like same for whatever the company you select. It might be an MNC or startup or product based. So like in the Q&A section, I will discuss more about that. Don't worry. So now, like you're clear about these are all the four different ways that you can do. The first one is like getting a job with the digital marketing skill, starting freelancing career with the digital marketing skill, starting your own business using digital marketing skill, and becoming a content creator using the digital marketing skill. These are the four ways that you can do. So like choose, like once you are aware of what actual digital marketing is, and once you know all those things, then you can ultimately get right. So now coming to the prerequisites. So what are all the prerequisites that you need in order to get most out of digital marketing? So now I will tell you the prerequisites that you need. So the first thing is, make sure you have a LinkedIn profile. So whether it might be a job, or whether it might be a freelancing, whether it might be a digital, a content creation, or whether it might be a business, LinkedIn profile is must, because we all we all need clients, right? So if a company is requesting digital marketing services, which means they are professionals. So you can find almost all the companies in LinkedIn. So if you're not in LinkedIn, so you are out of the competition almost. So I advise people to create a LinkedIn profile, because whatever you do, you need to do that on LinkedIn, whether it might be job or freelancing. You will get various opportunities in LinkedIn. So you can put something in your headline, that what are all the things that you do, what are all the services that you provide, and you can write something in your about section, and you can promote your services. You can do multiple things. So if you can write about what are all the things that you're good at, then ultimately people search for your name or search for some services. Ultimately your profile will get, and there are high chances. You can also treat it as a resume, so you can put all your skills there, all your publications there. So that is how LinkedIn is important. I will also tell you one thing. So, in order to become a good digital marketer, whether it might be a freelancer or employee or business or whatever it might be, you need a personal brand. So, personal brand is all about, if someone searches for you in Google, then ultimately they need to know about you. So that is the thing that you need to develop. This is a basic prerequisite. So I can say, you can say like, I'm not that much popular. How can I be? I mean, how can I be on the Google? So the first thing is, if you are in LinkedIn already, so if people search for your name, then ultimately your results show in the Google results. So let me test it with my name. So if I search for my name in the Google, so like you can see, so because as I have YouTube channel, this is showing in the top, but you can see LinkedIn is the second result. So because this is not only me, if everyone who is on LinkedIn, if you search for their name in Google, then ultimately the result, you will get this result. So if people want to hire you, or if people want to give you a freelancing opportunity, the first thing they do is they will search for your name in Google. And if your results shown up, and even like if you go and search for images, your images, so this is, see, the first image that you will be seeing here is LinkedIn profile picture, which means LinkedIn plays an important role in building your personal brand. So I request every individual to create, like I request every individual to create a LinkedIn profile post, because it is the basic thing that you need, and fill up your profile. So like just mention all those details, whether it might be digital marketing or not. At this moment, just create a LinkedIn profile. Maybe once you're good in digital marketing, once you have learned all the things about digital marketing, then ultimately you will know how to modify your LinkedIn profile. So now, so you're clear, right? This is a basic prerequisite. And the other thing is, you must be in social media. So if you're not in social media, then you are nowhere related to digital marketing. So make sure you have a LinkedIn profile. You are also in Instagram or Facebook, or you are also, you, of course, like I hope everyone has a Gmail address. So otherwise you will not get registered into this training too, right? So that is one thing. And make sure you are in social media platforms. You are in multiple social media platforms, because you can only succeed in digital marketing if you use social media the right way. If you fail to be available on social media, then how can you know about digital marketing? How can you know about social media advertising? You need to experiment with all those things. So make sure you are on social media. So, and also make sure you have a mobile or laptop, whatever it might be, because you can, it is only possible when you have a mobile phone, or I mean a smartphone or a laptop, then only you can experiment with. I hope everyone is able to access the internet. So then at least if you have these things, then ultimately it is good. So you can see, these are the basic prerequisites, I can say. Now I will show you one real-time use case of how actually one can use digital marketing to promote services. So I will show you my personal things. So it was like, I create courses on Udemy. So if I want to, so Udemy, like you all know Udemy, right? People can learn courses in Udemy. So these are the courses that I create on Udemy. So if I want to promote my courses, how can I do that? With the help of digital marketing knowledge that I have. So how can you actually promote your courses? The first thing is, you can promote it on YouTube. This is one thing. The first thing, like you can promote it on YouTube. So for to promote my courses, like I have also created many videos on like about my courses, because if I create a video content, then ultimately people will watch my content. That is the reason why I have promoted in YouTube. So if I have promoted in YouTube, then I have created all the courses about the Udemy courses that I have. The other way is like, I also promote them on my Instagram handle. I also promote them on my LinkedIn handle. I also promote them by writing blogs about the courses. If you can see, so I have wrote blogs about the courses that I have. So if people search for something, if people search for data analytics or Python, then ultimately if I maintain a good SEO, so my results will also get in the search results. So this is how you can actually promote using social media. So this is one way of social media that social media marketing that I use. So I promote literally on every social media, and this is one type of social media marketing. So I will also show you how you can actually maintain in SEO. So if you write about something, if you write content about something, then how you can actually apply SEO to that. Like from tomorrow, like I will show you detail, like how you can actually make a SEO thing, and how you can make your content SEO ready. So for all the blog posts, so I make sure that it follows some SEO, whether it might be creating titles or creating backlinks. So yeah, you will get to know each and everything on that. And the other thing is, you have covered social media marketing here, SEO here, and the other one is content marketing, because I create different kinds of content to promote my services. This is content marketing. And you can ask me how affiliate marketing works. So if you can see, so in my YouTube videos, so I have mentioned some links in the description, not on this video, but most of my YouTube videos have links in the description. So if you can click that link and purchase something, then I will get some commission. This is called affiliate marketing. It is how I have used affiliate marketing. And when coming to email marketing, in generally, for like if I have clients, so I will email every client that I have. I will email every contact that I have when I launched anything, when I launched any book, when I launched any course. It is how I use email marketing. And the last way is advertisement. Sometimes in order to promote my courses, so instead of just marketing through social media, I will also create some advertisement in social media. So I hope like you are clear about like how I'm actually using social media to promote all my digital marketing services, to promote my content. This is just an example, I can say. So I have taken an example of online course that I have created. So I hope you're clear about a use case that you can do. These are the 6 types of digital marketing. And while coming to, wait a second. So while coming to these are all the strategies. So if you can learn each type of digital marketing, so these are all the 6 types of digital marketing that we have talked about yesterday. So search engine optimization, content marketing, email marketing, social media marketing, affiliate or influencer marketing, advertising. So if you have learned about all these things, then ultimately you know how to get a job in digital marketing easily. You know how to do freelancing. You know how to do business. So I have shown an example of content creation thing, like, so how I promote my content, whatever it might be. It might be an online course, it might be a YouTube video, it might be a blog post. How I promote is because I have used multiple social media handles so that I can promote well. So it is how in generally people can promote content, people can promote content digitally. So I hope you're clear about prerequisites of this. So everyone, please go and create a LinkedIn account. So it won't cost you anything, because if you want to get more out of it, then you will ultimately get to know about it. So I think video clarity is good from my end. I'm also checking it from another laptop. It might be because of your streaming settings or YouTube settings. If you can adjust that, you will get that. So yeah, now from tomorrow onwards, like we will be starting with one by one. So I hope like you will be satisfied from tomorrow completely, because today I just want to give you an idea of what will be the structure from tomorrow. That's the only reason I'm showing all these things, because unless and until you don't know what you can do with something that you learn, you cannot make the most out of it. Like it might be any skill, not only about digital marketing, even if it's any other technical skill or soft skill. So if you don't know why you are using that, you will not get anything. You can just assume it as a just another class, then it will be difficult for you. That is the reason why I'm telling you all these things. So if you know, like, what if you're good in blogging or if you're good in writing, then you can use digital marketing. You can use this course to create a future in blogging. And if you know you are a good speaker, then you can create this course to maintain your YouTube channel. And like, like if you're good in business skills, then you can use this online training to starting your business. And if you're a student or someone who wants to earn money, then you can use this course to freelance. Yes, like from tomorrow everything will be practical. So like I already told you, please be patient. So I'm not just only telling you theory. This is a 10 days online course. If I want, I can tell the entire course in an hour, entire topics of SEO content marketing. But I just want everyone to understand each and everything. That's the reason. So from tomorrow, I can say that from tomorrow you will not see all this theory content and repeated content. So the reason why I'm repeating few contents is because not everyone can understand all the things. That is the reason why I'm like, I can say I'm forcing students to hear about particular topics, particular terminology, so that you can be comfortable. Yeah, from tomorrow, like I assure you that you will not hear repetitive content and theory content. So you will only see the practical information, how I can actually, how you can actually do SEO, how you can actually create content, how you can actually do affiliate, how you can actually write emails. So you will be seeing all those practical things. Because like, don't be bored only for 1 and 2 days, because everyone can, if everyone can understand what is going to do after this course, then it will be great, right? Stop this. Okay, like today, like I will take questions, like I will answer all those questions that you have mentioned from the beginning itself. How to get the freelancing job? So freelancing is not a job, so there are various sites for that. So if you have maintained your portfolio well, then ultimately you will get some clients. So I will show you how to make a portfolio and how to apply for freelancing clients in the coming videos. Don't worry. Yesterday we couldn't find any link for attendance in description. Yeah, you will find it. You will find it in the first line itself. So you can see it as a feedback link, and that is attendance. Please send tasks which you are able to do in mobile. Yes, you can do it on anywhere. So I will also show you how you can do in mobile and how you can do in PC. So don't worry, people who even don't have the access to laptop can do good. Is it good in freelancing job? The advantage is you can work on your flexible timings, and you can, I can say, you can get more clients, you can earn more money. So that is advantage in freelancing. And maybe after 2 to 3 years, you can see only freelancing everywhere, not jobs. And people are asking how to use digital marketing certificate. So if you have learned these 10 days topics, then ultimately you will get a knowledge, good knowledge. And apart from that, if you showcase your certificate, it's a credibility, it's a proof that you have learned something for 10 days. So ultimately, if you have a good portfolio apart from the certificate, it will really benefit you in getting jobs. But not only certificate will not help you, I can say. If you have learned something well and you do something, then ultimately you can get useful. How to get in MNCs with the help of digital marketing. So I can say, if you want to succeed in digital marketing, going with MNC is not a good idea, because MNCs will give you generic work. So there is no guarantee that you will be I can say, you will be forced to work in digital marketing. You may be forced to work on support, maintenance, and other things too. There is no guarantee you will get the desired work in MNCs. But still, yeah, it is same for everything. So applying for digital marketing growth will be same for everything. So as I'm student, want a company asks for qualification while giving job. Yes, of course, if you are a student, if you are trying for a job, then ultimately companies ask qualification. But there are other things like freelancing, where clients and individuals give you project. It doesn't matter. So they will not see your qualification. They will only see the skills that you have, the portfolio that you have. Do we have digital marketing opportunities? MNCs, yes, every company needs digital marketing services, because every company work on projects, and if they want to get clients or if they want to promote their products, they need digital marketing. You have to learn all of that, or one marketing enough. So if you have learned everything, then you can be specialized in digital marketing. You will be considered as a digital marketing specialist. But if you know at least one thing, then you can find specific roles. So if you only know SEO, then you can become an SEO analyst or SEO engineer. If you only know content marketing, then you can be hired as content marketing analyst, content marketing engineer. And if you only know affiliate marketing, you can own, like, apart from doing a job, you can earn by your own. And if you only know email marketing, we'll consider you as email marketing engineer, email marketing specialist. So yeah, there are roles for individual role level as well as for all the things. English is important in digital marketing, of course, because all the clients that you will get in freelancing or job, you will see some international clients, and you will see some people who are not from your state, right? So then ultimately, having a knowledge of English is advisory, because even though you're not completely an expert in English, at least if you can understand English, then ultimately it will be good, because you will not get clients from your local town or local city, right? You need to do everything. Freelancing is one. No, freelancing, you can do freelancing on everything. So not only on digital marketing, even though if you know web development or machine learning, or if you know other skill, you can do freelancing on everything. But digital marketing is the most demanding freelancing skill. So if you know digital marketing, there will be more opportunities. Don't confuse between freelancing and digital marketing. They're not same. How to create profile? So if you have a LinkedIn profile, then ultimately if people search for your name, then you will get. Okay. No, like you can have also got one question, like if you want to start a blog, there are also the various things like you can create without any cost. So there are websites like Blogspot. Like I will also show you on the day 4. So when we are talking about content marketing, so on that class, like I will be completely showing how to create your own blog from scratch. So you can directly start your own blog from that day itself. Can we promote the affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing is all about like promoting others products, but the other thing is you need to have a good network, and you need to have a good content in social media. Then only people will come to you every day, then only you can, I can say, promote, and you can earn more in digital marketing. How to advertise in YouTube. So in the advertising section, on maybe I will be teaching it on day 8. So I will also show you how you can create an advertisement for your YouTube video, or how you can create an advertisement for your Facebook or Instagram post, how you can advertise them by spending a little money. So I will be doing that practically. So you will get to know on that. Digital marketing is it's nowhere related to security, it's related to privacy. So because if you want to advertise something, so privacy matters a lot. But yeah, there are companies like Facebook and Amazon, Google, so you are using all these things to advertise. So you may use Google ads, you may use Facebook or Instagram, you may use LinkedIn. These are all the social media platforms that you use, and they have all the data of the users. So I think you don't need to think about security and privacy here, because they were already taking care of that. If there are any issues, then they need to face problems. So you are just using the services they are providing. That's it. Yeah, like you will, once after this I can say this 10 days training ends, I will share with you all the resources. But yeah, these videos are recorded, these videos will be recorded. Once after this live stream ends, you can also find them in the playlist. So I have added that in the link description, you can watch it anytime. So if you miss it somewhere, I think digital marketing, if you want to do an internship or live project, I can say if you can work on your own content, if you work on your own things, then it is a live project. So if you create a blog and if you perform all the digital marketing strategies, then ultimately you can consider it as a live project, or you can consider it as an internship. If you're applying to job or freelancing, you can show that it's like I have a blog, I'm maintaining all digital marketing standards. You can show your blog as an example of your digital marketing portfolio. We want practical online classes, not only repeat of this information. Yeah, I already told you, from tomorrow you will be seeing only practical. You won't hear me, you won't see me talking like this. From tomorrow everything will be practical. But today I just want to give a glance on that. Of course you may feel bored, like if people are talking theory. So I also know that, like my intention is not to tell theory, because you won't get anything if I keep telling theory. I also know that. But yeah, this is a 10-day long course. You need to understand each and everything. You need to understand You may feel like it will be boring, but digital marketing is all about understanding social media, understanding others experiences, understanding how one can actually build their brand. You need to, and also understanding how to earn from that. It is a main thing, because if you're learning something, the ultimate thing is you need to earn from that, otherwise there is no use of learning, right? Is necessary to talk English in digital marketing? Like it depends on your clients, but having a knowledge on English, understanding English will always help you. But I can say, if the client is on your local town or city, then there is no need. Like if you're providing services in your town or in your city, then ultimately you can talk in your mother tongue. But if your clients are like, if you want to explore more, then having a knowledge on English is a good thing, because you also get client from US and other parts of the country. Then having a knowledge of understanding English will add some value. Yeah, there are various sites, like I can say LinkedIn is one best thing, where you can actually apply for jobs, apply for freelancing opportunities, apply for internship in digital marketing. Apart from that, there are sites like Fiverr, Upwork, so that I will be showing in the coming classes, where you can create your profile and show some portfolio there, so that you will get good jobs. In which platform you can earn? If you use all these techniques, you can even earn money in WhatsApp. Yeah, like prerequisites are, it is not a topic again. So I'm just telling, if you want to get success in digital marketing, these are the basic things that you have. So if you don't even have a LinkedIn profile, then it will be difficult for you. See, a prerequisite is not a topic. Prerequisite is not a topic. It was all about how you use, like what are all the basic things that you need to be prepared in order to get something from that. That is all about prerequisite. It is not a topic. Yeah, yeah. Like I will try to answer almost all the questions, but yeah, I'm getting more questions. Don't worry if I miss something, please ask in the comment section after this. I can also get back to you once after this ends. 10 days courses cover all the topics in digital marketing. Yes, in general, if you go for courses in internet on other institutes, they will tell you, they can even tell you in 2 to 3 hours. So in order to tell digital marketing, in order to teach digital marketing, so, I mean, there is no perfect plan, or there is no perfect procedure for that. So I'm taking 10 classes, because I just don't want to teach digital marketing. I also want you make sure that you earn money using digital marketing, you get a career after digital marketing. That is the reason why I have expanded to 10 days, so that we will have time. So I can have time to answer your questions every day. I can have time to discuss about my personal experiences of digital marketing, so that if you can learn all these things very slowly, then you will get more knowledge. Like, comparing to, if you just want a digital marketing course, you'll find many courses, but they will only tell you the theoretical aspects of it, and they can just show you by sharing the screen. That's it. They don't want to. They will not tell you everything about digital marketing. What kind of tasks they will give in freelancing? So it's all about what are the tasks that you're good at. That's it. So you need to apply for, like, I know particular thing. How can I help you? Which is easy for housewife. I can say freelancing is the best thing. Yeah, like it will be completed in 10 days, and 10 days is more than enough. But the thing is, I mean, having completing this course, it is not the only way that you can learn. So it will give you enough knowledge on starting with digital marketing, but you also need to work on that. Whatever the things that I will tell you, also need to work on that. Just, I mean, I can say, just by listening to my classes will not give you complete 100% knowledge, but it will give you 50%, and it will give you clarity on what you want to become, how to do everything. But you need to give your effort too, because you don't expect everything from a workshop or a online training, right? It will give you enough knowledge that you can use in order to get a good digital marketing career. How is digital marketing growth in India? If you can see the number of startups that are rising every day, then it is the answer for that. Every startup is now digital based, which means they are completely running from internet. So whatever the company it might be, they are doing everything on internet. They are not doing it like a traditional marketing kind of thing. So if there are more startups, then ultimately the growth of digital marketing will come. Yeah, when coming to 2020 and 2021, it is nearly double. There will be no competition, there will be more competition in this field, and then how to be successful. So I can say, if you have learned something and if you have done on your own, then ultimately you will see more results, you will see more better results, because everyone who has the access to social media can do digital marketing. Everyone who knows all these things can do digital marketing, but you need to observe one thing: as the competition is increasing, the number of people who are using internet and social media is also keeps increasing. So which means the competition is equal to number of people who are using internet, then ultimately we'll get more opportunities. So is digital marketing is more opportunity. Automobile industry, whatever the industry that you want, so you need clients, you need customers. If there are no customers, then there is no business. Then ultimately, if you want to attract customers and if you want to influence customers, you need digital marketing. How can one use digital marketing in your personal life? One single example. So let us all leave about the techniques of digital marketing and all those things. If you want to get a good job in a company, then not only on digital marketing, whatever it might be, what is the important thing? Your resume and your profiling and your skills that you have. So if you know how to brand yourself in social media, then ultimately, if people, like, if you have applied for a particular job, they will see your profile, and if your profile is very good, so you are everywhere on internet, so you have a good LinkedIn profile, you have good connections, you have good social media pages. So whatever the skill that you are, so you are showing everything on internet, then ultimately there are more chances that you will be preferred over others, you will be preferred over your peers. So even to build a personal brand or get a job in any company, having a knowledge on digital marketing will always be helpful, no matter what. And if you want to start a business at the age of your 30, so even you have a good profile and good digital marketing skill, you will definitely get successful. I say no, because government in general, government need any services, they will hire private companies, they will hire startups, they will hire digital marketing consultancies to make their things done. So they hire third party people. So I can say government don't directly hire digital marketers, because they hire companies who are working on digital marketing. So I can say getting job on private firms and startups is more preferred. What about salaries? I can say there is no limit for that. The one good thing in digital marketing is you can work for a job in digital marketing. Similarly, parallelly, you can also do freelancing in your free time. So there are multiple ways for that. So I can say it will give you an edge over other jobs to earn. Why is digital marketing preferred over traditional marketing? Because people are more addicted to internet, people are more in social media than roads. I think you can agree with me. So nowadays you can see from 2020, people are more in social media than people are like walking on the roads and watching to physical stores to purchase something. So people prefer going online than going to physical stores. How many uses for students in digital marketing? Yeah, I can say, like, you can build your brand. So building a brand is an important thing in digital marketing. So if you know all this stuff, then ultimately you can build your personal brand while in college, so which creates you more opportunities. You can also do freelancing here, which means you can earn a lot while studying. It serves all your needs. Yeah, many were asking, will it be completed in 10 days? Yes, it will be completed in 10 days. So people were not even like patient for one day itself. So don't worry. So because you will not learn anything in one day or 2 day, it needs some time, and 10 days are enough, because even it can be done in 4 to 5 days. But the thing is, I just want to explain much wider. That is the reason why I have made it 10-day course. Feedback link. Yeah, once after this session ends, you will find in the description. Coding is not compulsory for digital marketing. If you know coding, then it's a good thing. But yeah, there is no rule that only people with coding background can be succeeded in digital marketing. Everyone can do digital marketing. If you are good in coding, then you can be very much successful in SEO, because Yeah, SEO can also be done by everyone, but yeah, having a knowledge of coding and understanding how websites work will give you an edge. Yeah, you can use that. So if you know digital marketing, then ultimately you will find more marketing jobs. People who are good in digital marketing will be more preferred when trading in digital marketing. So yeah, I think you're asking about personal brand in digital marketing. So you can do that. Like if you have a good social media profile and if you have a good knowledge on digital marketing, any books are available for this, please suggest. So there are various books for each and every topic. So while teaching a concept on every day, like I will also teach you how you can actually work on that. So I mean, I will also share the resources every day, don't worry. So learning digital marketing, it won't take more time, so you can also learn everything for free. So but yeah, like if you want to provide services, then ultimately you need to charge customers. So you will get to know while you know about everything, don't worry. How to create profile. So if it is LinkedIn, first of all, just create an account in LinkedIn, so you will get to know one by one, very simple. And if you know skills one by one, then ultimately it will be good. Will explain freelancing. So while teaching every concepts on ninth and 10th day, we will be completely talking about how to apply for freelancing opportunities, how to apply for jobs and all the stuff, don't worry. There is no I mean relation between cryptocurrencies and digital marketing, but people like really like cryptocurrency companies also need digital marketing, because in order to get something into the people's mind, they ultimately need digital marketing. Can you teach us by real-time projects? I will show you really how to create a blog by my own. I will create a own blog and show you how you can actually do that. I will create an own advertisement and show you how you can create an advertisement. I will show you everything by doing on my own. So then ultimately you will get to know that. I hope like they happened a power glitch or network glitch. So that is the reason might be you faced some problems. Cool. Oh, career opportunities in digital marketing. Like I told you, right? There are four different opportunities that you can utilize. The first thing is job, freelancing, be starting your own business, or the other thing is becoming as a content creator. I will definitely suggest some books. Don't worry. Yes, of course. So I will tell you, digital marketing will be useful on everything, every area. The reason is, if you have launched a new product, then how can you actually get that into public? The only way is you need to get into people by using some social media techniques. Because in olden days, if you can consider 10 years back, if you launch a new product, it is difficult to get into all people, because not everyone uses social media, not everyone uses internet. But nowadays, if you launch a product with the help of social media, if you make it viral, then ultimately everyone will, I can say, get to know about that. So I hope, like, we are done with the time. Is it useful in rural areas? I mean, it doesn't matter wherever you stay. I mean, who are the target people that you are providing services to? It will matter. Which specialization is best in MBA? I can say, I mean, even MBA is not mandatory for digital marketing because everyone can learn it. But yeah, if you're already in digital marketing, if you're already in MBA, then if you want to go towards digital marketing, then marketing is best. But yeah, it is not mandatory to have an MBA if you want to get a career in digital marketing. Feedback form, yeah, I will give that. Don't worry. Once after this ends, like, you will see that in the description. Any variation in national and international digital marketing, if you're doing in India, you will get some price. But if you're doing it internationally, then you will have an edge over others. The reason is, they will pay you more. If it's an US client or someone, you will definitely get more. That's the only thing. You will definitely get more. And there are various freelancing sites which you can directly do services for US clients. You can earn more. Details for social media, we can put our business into the camera. Of course, we don't need our details on the social media. If you can even put your business name, because if you want to promote your own business, then you don't want your name to be branded. You want your business name to be branded. Then you can use only your business name. Can you provide any tools like softwares or apps? From tomorrow, I will be showing all those things. For every technique of digital marketing, there are some tools where you need to know that. How to use teaching professional in digital marketing. If you want to be successful as a teacher, online teacher, then having a knowledge of your, I mean, promoting your courses and all the stuff will really help you. Yeah, you will be seeing this on, I will share this on the day 8. I will tell you how to create an advertisement. I will show you practically how you can actually create an advertisement. Don't worry. Digital marketing is helpful to everyone. Yes, you are right. How to create content, it is based on your interest. So if you're good in writing, you can create blogs. If you're good in speaking, you can create videos. And if you're good in designing, graphic designing, you can create, I can say, graphic content or video editing. You can do various things. See, there are websites like Fiverr and Upwork where you can use. I will also share the tutorial, like how you can start freelancing on various platforms on day 9 and day 10. Yeah, please do that today. Even though if you fail to complete the feedback form for yesterday, you can watch that session. It will be available on the playlist, or you can available on the channel itself. You can watch that and you can fill the feedback form. Don't worry. Okay, then I think we are done with the time. So I will provide you the attendance link in the description. So thank you everyone for watching this. From tomorrow, we will be covering, I can say, the original topics, the real topics in the practical way, not just a theory way. So yeah, thank you everyone.